Hi, it's Allison from East Cobb Tutoring Center. So we're going to take a look today at figuring out if something is a root of a polynomial or if something is a factor of a polynomial. So let's start with an example problem. We are going to do x cubed minus 9x, whoops, let me do that, minus 9x plus 1. And we would like to see if the expression x minus 3 is a factor of our polynomial. So what we're going to do first is set this thing equal to 0, because what we're really doing is testing to see if 3 is a root to the equation. So what I'm going to be plugging in here, because this is the direct substitution method, what I'll be plugging in here is basically the opposite of what we see here. So if that says minus 3, I'm plugging in positive 3. So 3 cubed minus 9 times 3 plus 1. If this is equal to 0, then what I started with is a factor, or this thing here is a root. So I've got 27 minus 27 plus 1. That is not equal to 0. So this thing is not a factor, and this guy is not a root. Let's try another example. All right, our next example is 3x squared minus x minus 4. This is a quadratic trinomial, and we're testing this quantity x plus 1 to see if it is a factor. So the first thing we do is set it equal to 0 and solve it. We'll be plugging in the value -1. When I plug in -1, if it gives me 0 as a result, then I have found a root. Let's see. So I've got 3 plus 1 minus 4, and it's 0. So that confirms that this expression, x plus 1, is a factor of the polynomial, and this guy, x equals -1, is a root of the polynomial.